What's up, guys? It's Late Gamer 360, and today this video is about something that is kind of sad. The Hollywood Rip Ride Rockit at Universal Studios Orlando is closing. Sometime in September, it's going to close. This version of the ride will close permanently. They are going to change it, so we don't exactly know what is going to get changed to yet. There has been some ideas like Ghostbusters or Fast and Furious. Fast and Furious is likely to happen because they also are doing that in California. I'm not sure it's really supposed to be like this high of a lift hill, but it's going to be interesting what they do with it. I am kind of upset about this though because I really love this ride, and yeah. So here's the ride, the Hollywood Rip Ride Rockit. And yeah, so that's the ride. The ride really is just exciting the whole time, but long live the Hollywood Rip Ride Rockit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ride the Rip Ride Rockit before it's too late. I am excited to see what the new version will be though. So it's not all sad. We're going to have a new version. So bye.